Welcome to MeisterShield, a leading supplier to the hurricane protection industry due to our unique business model that includes emphasis on research and development, manufacturing standards that not only comply with, but far surpass those set by Miami-Dade County Building Code, Florida Building Code, and Texas Department of Insurance. An emphasis on improving our dealer product knowledge in both technical aspects and selling strategies through our dealer training program and marketing support. And delivering a superior product at competitive prices since we design and manufacture the complete hurricane protection system. MeisterShield was born out of the need for a superior product in the hurricane protection industry. Founded on the hallmarks of quality, price, and delivery, MeisterShield instills these fundamental principles in everything we do. Our efforts to design, engineer, and manufacture the best hurricane protection products and accessories are measurable. We operate by the ISO 9000 Quality Management System. We rigorously test our products and are certified by the industry's leading authorities. We stand by the most comprehensive warranty programs in the industry. Quality is more than a word at MeisterShield. It's a way of thinking and doing business. All MeisterShield products begin in research and development. 5 years ago, there was little competition in the hurricane protection industry and even less innovation. MeisterShield, a research and development business, at its core, recognized the gap, and our engineer team went to work developing a superior product line. This led to the development of such products as MeiStrand Security Shield, our exclusive hurricane and security mesh using Kevlar cabled with 6 strands of stainless steel. A superior end retention aluminum roll-down shutter approved by Miami-Dade County, Florida Building Code, and Texas Department of Insurance. An impact-rated hood and end caps for use with aluminum and MeiStrand roll-down. Riveted end retention aluminum slats for greater design load. A bottom slat locking mechanism for greater design load and added security. Research and development is an ongoing process with more than 40 new products released per year. The rigorous testing our products undergo and subsequent certification they receive underscore the quality of every MeisterShield hurricane protection system and its individual components. MeisterShield's aluminum roll-down have some of the industry's highest design pressure capacities and have been issued a notice of acceptance with the Miami-Dade County, Florida Building Code, and Texas Department of Insurance for wind speeds exceeding 150 miles per hour. The ground-mounted version of MeiStrand is approved as hurricane protection by Florida Building Code, Miami-Dade County Building Code, and Texas Department of Insurance. The roll-down version is rated for design pressure loads of plus or minus 200 pounds per square foot, or wind speeds up to 280 miles per hour. Both MeiStrand and MeisterShield's end retention aluminum roll-down shutters are rated as large missile impact resistant. With lives at stake, MeisterShield takes on the task of creating a superior hurricane protection system, testing and retesting to ensure optimum performance. In order to make a superior product at competitive prices, MeisterShield controls the entire life cycle of each and every component in each and every product. From the manufacturing of extrusions to fabrication to production, to assembly, the standards set forth in MaestroShield's manufacturing process, governed by the ISO 9000 quality management systems, are more than sound manufacturing practices. They're measurable. The ISO 9001 quality system ensures 1. Grade of raw materials. 2. Control of manufacturing plants. 3. Product testing and certification. And 4. Measurements of success through independent audits and certification. Quality at MaestroShield extends far past our manufacturing practice. At MaestroShield, we engineer products to the highest standards and test and retest them to ensure proper functionality. We practice good stewardship of the planet by running an environmentally friendly business while manufacturing products that significantly reduce home or business energy use. We stand by the most comprehensive warranty program in the industry. A 10-year warranty on all powder coating, 7-year full replacement warranty on Maestran, 5-year full replacement warranty on most tubular motors, and 2-year full replacement warranty on all electronics. We provide our dealer base with unparalleled customer service that includes frequent training in technical and installation aspects, as well as sales strategies to ensure their success. A 24-hour-a-day, 7 days a week technical support line, industry-targeted marketing support for increased selling opportunities. It bears repeating. Quality is more than a word at MaestroShield. It's our way of thinking and doing business. One of the most unique aspects of MaestroShield is our ability to supply our dealers complete, ready-for-installation systems. Whether you're a large distributor looking to stock MaestroShield's components in your inventory, or a dealer selling complete hurricane protection systems, MaestroShield supplies the hurricane protection industry with an unparalleled product line. We manufacture and supply the industry's most advanced motors and electronics. We also manufacture and supply each and every extrusion, part, piece, and accessory of the complete hurricane protection system, making MaestroShield a one-stop source. This leads to better quality components at competitive prices and a guaranteed quick delivery, so your hurricane protection system arrives on time and ready to install. At MaestroShield, we have developed a formula for proven success in the hurricane protection industry, and we want to share that formula with you. Our business partners have achieved success and profitability. Let MaestroShield help you reach your greatest potential and achieve the levels of success you have always dreamed possible.